Alright guys, so as you know, one of my favorite things about doing cars and content creation is being able to go on a rescue mission. Now, my buddy does have a 2000 and something Chevy Impala, and his battery is dead. He is stranded with a dead battery right now. I looked for a whole 5 seconds for a video on how to replace his battery and couldn't find one, so I figured I would make a quick video of trying to figure this out. Look at the bug on this window. Ooh, what's up, man? We're gonna go change a battery. Alright guys, so here we are with the battery for the Impala. We got our negative terminal in the back here. We're gonna be starting there, then we're gonna move to our positive terminal, and then I am seeing a bolt down in here as well for the mounting bracket. So we're gonna start with those three, wiggle it around. Hopefully it moves free for us. And I'm hoping, once it is loose, that it'll kind of come through. This is a soft line here, so. And then this here is zip tied. So I'm hoping we can kind of just finagle enough space between these two to pull the battery right out of here and not have to remove this bar. If we do, we can, but these guys in here are pretty small. They might be like a 6 or something, 6 or 8. So we'll start there. All right guys, 8 it is on the terminals. Let's get these off. First bolt, nice and easy, love that. Like I said guys, negative first here for electrical purposes. Not a big electrical guy. I don't know if I should remove these bolts or if they just kind of stay in. Beautiful, both of them popped right open. Goes. Check this bolt as well. Oh, there's a cap, that's cool. All right guys, so with the terminals loose here, you're gonna have a little bit more access because this is all gonna be loose. Disconnected this first, then this one, which frees this all up, so you can get at that bolt down in there. Ooh, 13 first try, guys. Can't make it up. Actually, I could make it up. I could edit this, and I do edit this, but that was real. Oh, it's nice and loose, boys. Love that. It's a long bolt though. Probably would have been easier with an extension, but you know, it's the NTNS way. Builds character, you know? Do it the hard way. My arthritis. A long friggin' bolt for a battery, holy cow. Look at that thing. Hey, what's up?
Moment of truth?
Oh, moment of truth, good timing. It's moving.
Yeah, I was going to pick up something, but...
Here it goes, it's loose.
Nice.
Pulleys up here, these pulleys. Yeah, we might be taking this bar off of these. I think these are the same though. Bust a couple. Nope. Easy. I'll tell you, whoever did this last is awesome. Alright guys, so we did end up removing this torque strut bar here. It's 2 easy 13s up front, and then one in the back I just loosened up and left in there so it can kind of pivot around. That should make enough room for us now. I was trying to twist and pull up without having to take this off, but we're running into clearance issues down here on the pulley. As you can see, we're bumping into this coolant line down here too, so there just wasn't quite enough room. This one up here as well, no matter how you twist and pulled, so much easier to just take this off. And as you can see, there's plenty of room to just pull it out now. Looks good so far. All right guys, new battery is in here. We're gonna put it back together the same way everything came out. We're gonna start with our mount, make sure she's nice and sturdy. Once it's all good, we'll do our terminals, and then after that, we'll do our strut bar, and we should be all set to go. We'll crank it up and make sure it starts too. All right guys, battery is back in and all together. I don't know what's wrong with this car, I just know that it wasn't starting, and I was asked to replace the battery. So we're gonna try and start this thing before we put the strut bar back on. I did leave this for last just because it's a little harder to get at everything. So we're gonna hop in here, see if she starts. Man. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for our battery replacement on our 8th gen Chevy Impala. If you do need a battery for yourself, I'm going to leave an affiliate link down in the description below. If you guys made it this far, I genuinely appreciate you watching. If you did enjoy the video or found it useful at all, please feel free to leave a like down below, subscribe for more just like it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.